I am the Caracal, the silent shadow of the desert.
And I am the lynx, the quiet hunter of the forest.
Today, I will tell you who I really am. Look closely at me. Watch my legs move. They carry me fast across the open lands. See my black-tipped ears. They catch even the faintest sound. I find calm in stillness. Rest is my strength. Quiet moments. They teach me patience. Even hunters need to pause. I raise my cubs in silence. I teach them how to follow a trail, how to wait, and how to strike at the perfect moment. In the desert plains, I can reach speeds of 50 kilometers per hour. Every meal is a lesson. I move with patience. Every bite matters. This is how I survive and how I teach my cubs. I may seem calm now, but never mistake stillness for weakness. But am I the only silent hunter? Let's see.
I move like snow falling on pine needles. Quiet, soft, invisible. My wide paws let me walk across deep snow. My strong claws grip tree trunks with ease. And my face, these long whiskers and thick fur, help me read every vibration in the forest. I do not chase. I wait, hidden in the shadows, until the forest breathes an opportunity. I guide my cubs as we move quietly. Every step is a lesson. Together we explore and learn. I pause and breathe. The forest whispers around me. In stillness, I regain my strength.
I am the hunter of open lands. You won't escape my speed.
I am the hunter of the forest. I see you long before you see me. My claws grip the bark. Step by step, I ascend. High above, I watch the forest unfold.
I live in the desert.
I live in the forest.
And we are the shadows of the wild.